Hello, my dear lovely friends, my beautiful viewers, and my beautiful subscribers. Welcome again to my YouTube channel, Amber Beauty Fashion. Dear friends, how are you? Hope you're all fine and doing great. May Allah keep you happy and keep laughing, keep smiling in the same way. Ameen. My dear lovely friends, today's video is very great hair styling ideas. So dear friends, I must suggest to you watch this video till the end. You will find 10 or 20 ideas in our videos. So you please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Dear friends, after clicking the bell icon, you will get a notification of all my videos. And you will never miss my video and any collection of my channel. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends and family members.